What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. All that stuff that I normally say. You're cool, yeah, okay, blah, 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 blah. Moving on, let's get into the video. Today's video, I haven't done this for a while, but it's a favorites video. You know, I just wanted to do it because I thought it would be fun to share some of the things that I have liked this month. This weird month of March that has felt like it's been 5 years. But let's get started. So the first thing that I liked when we could still, leave the house at the beginning of the month was this Aritzia Super Puff. This is actually amazing. It's such a nice coat. It was really good for when I had early morning classes when I was still going to college in person because, it just kept me warm when it was 14 degrees out. And it's good because I don't know exactly what it is, but it retains your body heat inside of the coat, which is really nice. And it's puffy and it has a hood and you could basically fall asleep in it. So then the next thing, also when I was still leaving the house and had to wear shoes, these Nike Air Force Ones. And you might be like, everybody owns those, Susan. You're not telling me anything new. But these ones are so nice because these ones are special because they don't have laces, so they just slip on, which is really good for all of y'all who are like me and don't like spending 20 minutes tying your shoes. These are nice. Just stick your foot in them and then leave. But I haven't worn these in 2 weeks because I haven't left the house in 2 weeks. The final article of clothing are these Athleta leggings. These are so good. These are my favorite leggings. Any Athleta high-waisted leggings, these are so good. The material's really soft. They're not see-through. They stay on your waist really well. They're sweat-proof too. So they're very good. I used them all the time when I still did cycle classes, but that's not open anymore. But I still wear these all the time. Next category, technology and entertainment. Because of the whole quarantine thing, I've had so much time to, just get into more entertainment things. So the first thing in this category that I've really liked this month is Pinterest. And I always like Pinterest, but this month especially, I've really gotten into just scrolling through Pinterest things, like clothing, travel stuff. It's just really fun to go through, Pinterest boards and just plan your life out and stuff and make it all aesthetic and cute. Another thing I really liked is Instagram story filters. I'm just obsessed with them. It's kinda bad, but do I care? No. So the ones I really like are Nostalgia, the glitter on white, which I'm guessing you know which one that is because that's a really popular one. And then the final one is coconut cream. They're just all so good and I just like it because it's hashtag aesthetic. Also in this little entertainment category, we subscribe to Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus. That little package that they have, and it's so good. When we first got Disney Plus, all I literally did was just watch movies. I think I watched Monsters, Inc., Monsters University, and Zootopia all in one day, which was kind of bad, but it's worth it. Go Monsters University. Maybe that's where I should go to college next year. Another entertainment thing that I've really been liking is Alicia Marie and Remy Cruz's podcast, Pretty Basic. It's just such a good podcast. They're both really cool YouTubers and I've watched both of them for such a long time. And their podcast is just so motivating and it's so good. And then the final entertainment thing is Candy Crush, the game. I re-downloaded it on my phone and I can't stop playing it. I used to play it so much when I was 15 and then I stopped because I got too addicted to it. And guess what? I'm back at it and I can't stop and someone help me. Next category, food. The first thing is Annie's Box Vegan Mac and Cheese. I've eaten this a lot in the past, but especially now that we're in quarantine, I've been eating this because it's a little bit iffy, getting some food right now. You know what I'm saying? So, box food it is. This vegan mac and cheese is really good. I think it's almost better than real mac and cheese. The only drawback is that this box is 2.5 servings and every single time I eat the whole box. More food that I've liked for snacks. What I've been eating is all snacks from my childhood, these Ritz crackers. These are so good. I used to eat these a ton in 4th grade. Then another snack that I've been eating so much this month is colored goldfish. And I know all the colored goldfish are supposed to be the same flavor, but I literally can taste the difference between the yellow, the orange one, the purple one, and the green one. Another snack that I've liked is we had a bunch of frozen peaches, so we defrosted all of them so we could have some fruit right now. Peaches are so good. And it's not even peach season, so I'm glad we have a bunch that are frozen that we could defrost. And then this category is just kind of stuff that didn't fit into another category. So the first thing is this Trust Fund Beauty nail polish. I really like this brand of nail polish. I've gotten these from when I still subscribe to the Ipsy Glam Bag, and I have a couple of these in different colors. I just really like this nail polish because it's like free of all of like the bad things in nail polish, and it also stays on your nails really well. But then at the same time, when you want to take it off, it actually comes off and you don't have to scrub all of your nail off to just get the nail polish off. So I really like this nail polish. It's very good. Then office supplies. I really like these. Oh, I almost fell off the stool. So I really like these mild liner markers for just highlighting and just for making my notes pretty and cute. These are just really good. I really like the colors that they make. I like how they're dual-ended too. And they're just really, really nice. I got these on Amazon, and these are also really good for like bullet journaling too. And also for just writing in general, bullet journaling, notes, whatever, is these Sharpie black pens. I may have talked about these before, don't really remember. But these are so good because it has a really fine tip. It works like the, I think the Papermate Flare pens, but it doesn't run at all and it doesn't bleed through, which I really like. So this is great. Finally, the last main thing that I've really liked this month are these bamboo toothbrushes. I tried these in a haul a couple months ago, and these just work so well. It's just like an update on them from that video. I just really like these still, and I would totally recommend these. Just the bristles are really good, and they don't like stab your mouth as much if you slip with them too, which is a problem that I have, is I stab myself when I'm brushing my teeth. They're just good all around. Well, that's all I have for my favorites. Yeah. I hope you liked this video. Comment down something you've really liked this month, and comment down something, anything. And thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you soon. Have a great week. Adios.